Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup look using this HudaBeauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using this pretty magenta color right there. I'm going to be placing it on my crease area. Usually I'm going to be blending that out all over my crease, just like that. Windshield wiper motions. Just make sure you blend everything very well. I always start with a little bit of product and gradually pick up more product until I get the desired amount of color that I want. So next I'm using this darker purple. This is from the Sephora HelloKitty collection that came out last year, I believe it was. If you weren't able to get that palette, any dark purple will do. Just placing it in my crease area like I'm showing you right there. Make sure you blend this out very well. I always start with a little bit of product and always grab more on my brush. And right here, just blending both colors together. That way there's no harsh lines. So there I had picked up more of that purple color. So it will show up a little bit more in my crease area. And there I'm blending both colors together so there was no harsh lines. Next I'm going to be grabbing that, that was from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I ended up putting that color on as a highlight, but it really, I don't know why I even did that. It didn't even show up on my skin, so I ended up using MAC Shroom eyeshadow. I'll place it in the description bar. It's more like a sheer, like whitish color to highlight my brow bone. It's a very pretty highlight to use. And right now I'm using that is like a lighter pink, and I'm packing it on all over my eyelid. I'm using this 239 brush from MAC Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite brushes to use for packing on color. And right here, actually I had grabbed that color from the Tarte palette. Is like a darker color, a darker purple, a very dark purple for my outer V. And just blends and blend until everything's nicely blended together. I always tell my clients the key to like doing your eyeshadow is just to have really good brushes and to always blend very well. That's just mainly, you know, and with practice you'll get a really nice look. So I'm just packing on more of that purple color on my outer V. And there I'm just blending everything together. So basically I'm just gonna fast forward this, let you guys see the colors I use. Just make sure you blend everything together. I'm gonna be placing all the colors that I use on the description bar, and yes, and I'm very sorry if the quality is not that great right now. This is my first video. It should be getting better after I get the hang of using my camera, and as soon as I find a tripod piece that I had lost. I couldn't find it, and I just really wanted to get a video up as soon as possible. But I promise video quality will get better. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.